Today on Joker Watch, I unbox and assemble these tools. Quick disclaimer, I am no way affiliated or sponsored by Wen. These tools were purchased 100% with my own funds, and everything that I'm saying is 100% my opinion. With that being said, I've never owned a drill press, planer, or joiner before, so my opinion, in my opinion, doesn't mean a whole lot. Take that for what it's worth. All right, starting out, the package is nice and damaged, so that's not a great start. Anybody's curious, I'm using a buck knife to open this. It's my old hunting knife I use for skinning, but works really good for opening packages without damaging what's inside. So, in case you're curious. Right, got the drill press manual. I'm a man, so I'll throw that to the side. I don't have to worry about using that. I'm joking. Definitely want to use the manual. Got the base, some accessories. Oh, the plate, the motor. It is heavy, but it's definitely not cast iron heavy. And the arm, oh, I got a box with a W on it, and the arm. 12-inch variable speed drill press from Wen. So it says start with the base. So that's what I'll start with. Got the base. It's all about that base. No trouble. Next, they want you to carefully lift the drill press head assembly and position it over the column. Not light though, I can tell you that. Boom. Now, I'm not a smart boy, but so the fact that I'm getting this together, semi-impressive. I don't understand why there's a third one, but I'm sure it goes somewhere. Oh, look at that, it goes on the other side. The speed handle.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
All right, that goes right here. Give myself room, right there, and I seat it. That's the way we do things. Lefty tighty, righty loosey. Why isn't it working? Ah, there we go. So I'm gonna leave those off because I don't know if I'm gonna actually end up needing those. Next, I would like to plug her in and see how she does. See if it turns on. I guess that's an important part of this. So laser, there is a laser.
Allow me the pleasure of introducing you to Laser.
There's a light. All good things. And it turns on and off. Box. Fence. Instructions. Table. These little cross rubber pieces fit in grooves in the clamp. You just kind of tighten that down, and that appears to be what it needs. That guy goes there. That guy goes there. You guys come over the top. And we got a sliding fence. A little insert. Okay. And finally, we got a stop block. Because why not? Things need to be stopped. and blocked. All right, next I am opening and assembling the 8-inch spiral cutter head Wen Jointer. All right, now we're getting to the nuts and bolts of what we're looking for. Starting out, manual. And some thingies. And more of these rigid corner protector thingies. There you go. Okay. Now if I had to guess, I'm gonna say this is not gonna be light. I would be right. Comes with a couple push blocks. Yippee. Dust port. I don't know. Spare parts? Probably not. I doubt that's important. Try to center it roughly. Now if I was a guessing man, I'd say this guy, then goes here. Right, and flat. Appears to be flat. I'll take that. If I wanted to reduce it, do that. All right. Got it assembled. Fence. It works. All right, let's go ahead and open up the 13-inch Wen spiral cutter head planer. Oh, this thing is not light either, which I guess is a good thing. You don't want it to be light. It's a tool. If it was light, it'd be a toy. To be fair, I guess these are kind of toys. If I'm being fair. Or you ask my wife. I feel like the more of these I open, the less assembly is required. Not complaining. And Simon says, here's those knobs are used to attach the dust shroud. Spin old girl around here. Plastic off the cord. And the rubber band. And the twist tie. And the padlock. And the chastity belt. And it sits right there. Now, they put these rollies on top, and you guys can correct me if I'm wrong because I've never had a planer, but I would assume it's for a two-man operation. It comes through, you feed it back, it comes through, you feed it back. That would be my guess. Again, first time planer owner, long time subscriber. Well, that was just super easy. So let's spin that back around. Grab my level before I plug her in, see how she looks. Nope, still level. All right. Now, let's test this old girl out. Got a switch here. Anybody that wants to see, you can see the reflection of the blades in the thing. There you go. Well, that wraps up this unboxing and assembly video. If you want to see me use these tools, come back. I got a lot of projects that these are going to be useful for, so I'm really excited about having them in my shop now. Appreciate you clicking on the video, and your watch has ended.